you're new to my channel, basically I'm doing a few repairs on my R1 to get the shack end done. I'm out here in Japan. The shack end is like the vehicle inspection every 2 years. Fork seals are gone basically, so the previous upload I took these out, and then today I'm going to take them apart and try and do that job. I'm new to all this basically, so I'm learning as I go along, figuring out as I go along. So if you're learning too, join me. If you have experience and you know better than what I'm doing, I'm likely doing things wrong, wrong order, wrong tools, whatever, let me know in the comment section. I'll happily learn from you. On Del Boy's garage video, he said he hates doing his job because the oil stinks. I can confirm it stinks. It smells like rubbery ammonia. It's horrible. So let's see if I can get some oil out of it first. Oh, there you go. I'm just going to guess because I don't really know about these things, but I'm going to guess that's not very good. So this is the bit I was nervous about. You've got to pull this tube down, so you're going against the resistance of the spring to reveal a nut around there somewhere, and then you can separate all this and pull all the bits out. Okay, I bought a ratchet strap so I can put this tool on and then pull it down. Literally just bought this. This is my first time. Never even touched one of these before. Literally don't know how to use it. So just to document my little setup here, foldable like work table, little stool, piece of wood, suspensions on that. It's held up, it's not really being gripped, it's kind of loose in there, but it's just supporting it in that position, upright. Put that tool on, ratchet strapped, hooks over there, they come down and goes under it. So technically I can just click that up, tighten it, pull this down, let's have a look. Am I doing that the wrong way? Am I doing it the wrong way? No, bollocks that way. So that. I did it the wrong way. What a twat. There's a rod in there. Let me take that rod out. There's a long rod. Okay, release the strap. Okay, take some bits out. I'm just going to put them down in order, nice and neatly. Spring comes out. It looks slightly tapered towards the top. Okay, that's the outer tube sorted. That's what we're working on. So here's my fork station. That's the bits in order that they come out. That was the top. We've got damper rod, spring. I'm not sure if it's an illusion or not. It looks like more tapered at the top than the bottom. Might not be. But anyway, at least I know how that all goes back together. Next one ready to go. I'm about to have lunch. I'm going to leave those draining out because there's still quite a lot of oil coming out of them. Oops. There you go. There we go. Look inside. Looks like another ring that's pressed in there. I'm not going to bother trying to remove that. But yeah, there you go. That's all it is. That's quite simple, really. Right, so that's it for this video. I did say in a previous upload, I haven't really got time to do this job, but it really needs doing, so I'm trying to fit it in when I can, and also make the video, so I'm just chopping the whole job up into separate videos, so that's all I've got time for today. I will do the editing for this tonight and then get it out. But yeah, that's it. Click like and subscribe and all that, and see you on the next one, where I will be putting new seals in and oil, and then once that's done on both of them, get it back on the bike.